Non-human animals are constantly proving themselves to be capable of thought, empathy, and intelligence in ways that we never expected. All animals, including humans, have evolved their cognitive abilities to succeed in their natural habitat. For human beings, we use many indicators of intelligence: self-awareness, creativity, abstract thinking, cooperation, altruism, problem-solving, math skills, social learning, language and communication skills, and many more. So in this video, we are going to discuss the smartest animals in the world. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Pigs. Though many people think that pigs are dirty, lazy, and not very smart, the truth is that not only do pigs prefer to be active and clean, they are also highly intelligent. 4 pigs housed at Purdue University's Center for Animal Welfare Science, Omelette, Hamlet, Ebony, and Ivory, demonstrated the ability of other species to learn by playing a simple video game. The game consisted of using a joystick to manipulate a dot to hit a blue wall. After hitting the wall, the pigs received a treat. All 4 pigs displayed skill far greater than would be expected by random chance. In order to play the game, the pigs had to understand that moving the joystick resulted in movement on the screen. Octopuses. Even a cursory exploration into octopuses reveals several instances of them escaping handlers and causing mischief in aquariums around the world. Some have even managed to escape their watery prisons and return to the water without their keepers being any the wiser. Their skills are less surprising when you consider that they have a larger brain-to-body ratio than any other known invertebrate species. Octopuses are adept at using tools sourced from their surroundings. Some species are known to carry the tentacles of the deadly Portuguese man-o-war as a weapon, while others collect and carry coconut shells to build shelters for themselves. Elephant. Elephants, like many other animals, can learn a variety of complicated tasks, but it's their self-awareness, the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, that sets them apart on the intelligence scale. Elephants are also highly social and compassionate, often working together to solve problems within their herd. Elephants are exceptionally smart creatures. They have the largest brain of any land mammal and 3 times as many neurons as humans. While many of these neurons exist to control the elephant's large and dexterous body, these creatures have demonstrated their impressive mental capabilities time and time again. Elephants have arguably one of the most intelligent brains in the animal kingdom. On average, an elephant's brain is 3 times larger than a human's brain and has more neurons than humans do: 257 million fibers to humans' mere 86 million. Monkey, baboons, and mandrills. There are so many smart monkeys, including Africa's several baboon species. The social primates often cause mischief with tourists, but they can be the teacher's pet as well as the class clown. Olive baboons, for instance, have the ability to understand numbers. Mandrills are another of the smartest primates. One captive male was seen breaking twigs and cleaning his toenails with the splinters. They are very intelligent animals. It is known that they can use tools to perform tasks. A scientist from Durham University in the United Kingdom filmed a mandrill stripping a twig and using it to clean its toenails. Their size is so big that they have few predators. Capuchins are the most intelligent New World monkeys, perhaps as intelligent as chimpanzees. They are noted for their ability to fashion and use tools. Dog. African hunting dogs. Everyone knows man's best friend is one of the smartest animals in the world. Canine intelligence varies quite a lot when it comes to breeds, with collies, shepherds, and retrievers often considered the smartest dogs. Africa's own canine, the African wild dog, or African hunting dog, is no slouch when it comes to brainpower. These endangered animals are Africa's most successful hunters. Using teamwork, they can outperform their bigger, stronger rivals. African wild dogs are highly intelligent animals and are in constant communication with each other. They have coordinated social structure, which allows their pack to work together and successfully hunt together. Before a hunt, the dogs have a playful ceremony in which they bond and initiate each hunt. Dolphins. Dolphins are well known to be one of the most intelligent species on the planet. They are highly capable of both learning and mimicry. Dolphins in separate pods have been known to use mud to create traps for fish and collect sponges to use as protection as they search for food among coral. These 2 examples demonstrate the ability of dolphins to manipulate their surroundings and employ tools to achieve an end. Further evidence of dolphin intelligence is found in their documented ability to adapt to new situations. Researchers found that during a construction project taking place in their waters, one pod of dolphins adapted by shifting their hunting location and also the time at which they entered the construction zone to avoid the hours of construction. Raccoon. Often overlooked when thinking about the smartest animals, raccoons are renowned for their lock-picking skills and are able to remember the solutions to problems for years. Researchers at the University of Wyoming performed a test, giving raccoons some pebbles and a jug of water containing marshmallows. Half of the raccoons figured out that they could add the pebbles to the jug to raise the water level and get the marshmallows. That's some pretty sophisticated problem solving that would stretch a young human. According to a variety of studies, raccoons are very intelligent. Vanderbilt University researchers found that raccoons have an average 438 million neurons in a relatively small brain, places them on the higher end of the mammal intelligence scale. Domestic cat. Much like domesticated dogs, some cats have been trained to follow instructions and sit, roll, or perform other tricks on demand. Cats have 300 million neurons compared to dogs with 160 million neurons. This high-octane brain power fuels feline intelligence. The cerebral cortex not only governs higher functions of rational thought, but also problem solving. It's also the storage area for short and long-term memory. Along with being trickier to train, cats are harder to study, as their famed indifference to things means they're less likely to participate in experiments. It's this disinterest that may actually be a sign of their smarts. Some sociologists believe that cats' combination of curiosity and cautious behavior, along with their complete independence, are evidence of high intelligence. Orca. Orcas, or killer whales, have the second largest brains of any animal. That's impressive when you consider there are several larger species in the ocean. While size is important, that's not all. Orcas' brains are more heavily folded than even humans. A wrinklier brain equals more surface area. That means more neurons, helping them handle more data and process it faster. Orcas display complex communication, a wide range of hunting strategies, and can pass down knowledge through generations. As such intelligent creatures, they often suffer from a lack of social interaction and mental stimulation in captivity. Chimpanzee. We see a lot of ourselves in chimpanzees. They can be violent, but also curious, resourceful, and cooperative. That's no surprise, since we share around 99% of our DNA with these African apes. Chimps are some of the best tool users in the animal kingdom. They can smash open nuts with rocks and stick thin branches into termite mounds to gather an insect lunch. They're also very social animals, living in large communities. Sometimes they'll even wage wars with coordinated assaults on other groups of chimps. The neocortex, the outermost layer of the brain characterized by the squiggly sulci, or brain folds, is the region that gives all primates their exceptional intelligence. In both chimps and humans, this brain region continues to grow and organize for years after birth, allowing us to learn and develop socially. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.